we are very interested and to save our hill, which they want to do some kind of development project. That hill is a sanctuary. It is an eco-sensitive hill. The feathers that we are wearing on our caps, these are from birds which nest, roost, and live on these hills. I can name you the birds if you like. So this one is the hawk owl, and this is the large cuckoo shrike. My one minute, let me just check, make sure. So this is the crested serpent eagle, and this is the greater cowcull, and this is the rufous tree shrike. Rufous tree pie, sorry. So these birds live there. Now it's very important to know that birds, they need a environment which has lots of greenery, no disturbance, and it is the entire hill and hillock that forms a part of their habitat, including the fields right up to the bunds. Because altogether, this is all a big symbiotic ecosystem. So I think in few words, this will sum it up as to why it is important that we conserve our natural resources and our natural heritage.
No, one thing you did not tell, why this, where the project is coming up, and what is the project all about?
So many years ago, our elders had given a place to put up a park for the elderly people to come and relax and so on.
Where it is, exact location?
Next to the church.
Church, okay.
Yeah. So half the hill belongs to the Golti Comunidad, half the hill belongs to the Naveli Comunidad.
Okay.
So when they gave the place, they had given it for a specific purpose, and
It was given to whom?
to the tourism department.
Tourism department.
Yeah. And we had no idea, we were very young at that time, and now they want to do some kind of tourism development. Instead of that, it is better that they support the villagers and give them the facility to have homestays, so that individually the residents can benefit and we don't destroy our natural habitat, which is priceless.
So what is being planned right now?
They have put out a tender.
Eco cottages.
Yes, as Devil said, so-called eco cottages. There cannot be such thing as eco cottages, because all these need foundation, septic tanks. They need all the other kind of infrastructure. So it just destroys the natural cover.
The ecosystem.
The natural cover right now, as it is written here, as is how the nature has kept it. We have to keep it the way the nature has kept it.
Looking at the feather, you told the bird's name. Does these birds come over here?
Of course, they live here. These feathers are collected from here.
Many names mentioned on your poster. What are the names exactly?
These are all the birds that exist on that hill. But we have got another 150 species I can add to this. I have personally got them on my bird list. I have seen them myself. So I have been birding on my island from my childhood.
All of your island persons are opposing this eco-tourism project.
I would think the island itself will oppose it, because it is something which will destroy what the island is all about.
So your good name?
My name is Luis Antonio D'Souza. I am a Damgar Golti Comunidad.
So your name?
My name is Daryl Pereira. I'm also a Damgar.
Darren, what do you have to say about this project? That is
Totally unnecessary project. There were so many other ways that if the tourism department really is interested in having some hinterland tourism, there are so many other ways to develop hinterland tourism. Homestays. Why don't you promote homestays?
okay.
Homestays will be more, much better for the local people.
Okay.
Having these people
So
come from somewhere-
by having a homestay, you all don't have any objection for having homestay.
in a homestay.
Yeah,
Because
so-
in small areas, you are not having such a large footprint.
Okay.
We don't have to destroy everything. There is a
Already
there
existing
already.
infrastructure. you are going to use.
And they will use the local culture. They meet the people here. They will be able to tell them their stories of childhood. They will try their cuisine. They will see their. So these are things that need to be.
So now actually the tourism department on September 27, they celebrated the World Tourism Day, and I think they are celebrating it for a week. So what message do you all have for the tourism department regarding this when they are specifically talking about hinterland tourism?
So I think it's very, very important, first of all, to invite the main stakeholders, the villagers themselves, who live on the village, rather than be decided by some kind of bodies and boards
So
and so on.
this project should not be trusted on the people. By
Definitely not. You said it right.
Yeah.
Definitely not to be trusted on us. And it should not destroy our something that is priceless. And
Okay.
it cannot.
So when it is destroyed, it cannot be restored back.
It cannot be restored back.
So you all are now all prepared and geared up to oppose.
We want to thank our ancestors and thank the God of nature for giving us something so beautiful, and it is just not possible for us to ever let anybody touch and destroy it in any way. It is a God's gift. Our island is a God's gift, and it is a jewel on the map of Goa, and we would like it to stay that way.